whatever I want.
One take. Okay.
Done? People call me Tina.
My name is Vasudha.
My name is Dimple Ramsey.
I'm Deepika. Golcha.
My name is Sargam Singh.
I don't avoid. My mother used to say, don't give her curd, don't give her bananas, but I make her. She eats curd once in a day, and whenever she's ill or anything else, I don't give her the frozen curd. I give her normal room temperature curd, but yes, I'm giving her curd, I'm giving her bananas, everything, not to avoid anything. It's just an infection. It doesn't help if you are not giving her curd or a banana or anything else.
I don't remember taking him to doctors that often. That, like, nowadays I find mothers running at the drop of a hat. That is not required. You can do many such things there. Like, there are things in your kitchen, and I followed that also, like giving him hot soups and everything whenever he had a cold. Until and unless it aggravated too much, I didn't take him to a doctor. So exposure to antibiotic is a very big thing, very big question nowadays, because those days when my child was young, I don't think he was that exposed to antibiotics, which children nowadays are. So I think home remedies work the best.
I try giving them a lot of turmeric in their food when they catch cough and cold, because haldi really helps. But apart from that, I don't really have anything. I wait for them to just, take their normal medication of Synarest and everything and outgrow it. I don't give them things like banana and rice, because then that increases their cold, at least for my kids. So, those things I've learned over the period of time. But apart from that, there's nothing like that. Cold is a very common thing. You get it. And in fact, they get it even more often because of being two. So they're okay now. In fact, they have a cold right now, but they're fine. Like, even they have become used to the fact that they're going to catch a cold every couple of months. So I don't have any go-to food or, anything like that as such.
Cold and fever, light food, something most preferred when they have fever, khichdi. Something like a nice home-cooked khichdi, a soup, a nice vegetable soup which makes them healthy. Coconut water really keeps them hydrated. I'm really a big fan of coconut water, and some Energizer so that doesn't keep them low into a room temperature water. So these are the things I keep up with them. Everything homemade. When they are not well, absolutely strictly homemade. Nothing from out.
Well, when it's cough and cold, I of course avoid cold stuff and chocolates. Yeah, these two things, and yeah, that's about it. Cold stuff and chocolates.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.
Moms know best. Moms know best.
Moms know best.